Welcome back, Power Tool fans. I'm Rob. We've got some breaking tool news. Whether you like it or not, the new Makita XGT system is finally here, and they just announced the first expansion that includes several tools we've been waiting for. Let's go. First up is the new GMHO2 80V XGT Brushless 238-pound AVT Demolition Hammer. This beast brings 27.5 joules of impact energy for up to 15% braking efficiency over its own corded brother. AVT stands for anti-vibration technology, an internal counterbalance system that reduces vibration, and it's AWS compatible, allowing you to wirelessly power on and off your dust extractor. The AWS transmitter will be sold separately. The new hammer will also feature multiple angle settings, soft start, LED lights, constant speed control, and a variable speed dial and trigger. Next up are a pair of 40-volt 6-inch angle grinders with active feedback sensing technology, or AFT, that will turn off the motor if the wheel is suddenly forced to stop. The GA-G07 has a slide switch, while the GA-G08 has a paddle switch, which is the right one. I'm just saying. Next up is my favorite, the new GS-LO2 40V Max XGT Brushless 8.5-inch dual bevel sliding compound miter saw with 4,800 RPM and a huge cutting capacity, making quick work of even 3x12 material in a single pass. It can miter up to 60 degrees in either direction and bevel up to 48 degrees. It also has the only acceptable line marking technology, being an LED blade shadow as the good Lord intended. Please stop using lasers, everyone else. It also features a rail-forward design so you can push this thing closer to the wall, which is always appreciated. The XGT line already has a good start in the OPE department, but now they're adding a 40V Max 565 Cfm blower with a telescoping nozzle, which, who doesn't want that? Plus, a new 40V Max XGT brushless 15-inch string trimmer. And to remind us that the new XGT platform isn't just about high-end power tools, but also a complete battery platform, they're also adding a few odds and ends, like a 40V Max XGT Bluetooth radio, 13-inch fan, and a 2-port USB charging adapter. Last of all, they're adding an XGT 5Ah battery, which, embrace yourself for this math, boys, runs 25% longer than the 4Ah. Well done. What do you guys say? Convinced yet? XGT stuff still feels a little scarce at the moment, but Makita seems determined to build an entirely new ecosystem based on a bigger, more capable 40 and 80 volt platform. Are you ready? I, for one, welcome our new XGT overlords.